Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the dollar yen, I think we have the end of a pullback, which you really have to go all the way up to the daily time frame to see it. But I think this right here is the end of a pullback, which is a pullback to the last 5 waves down. And I think this is now in a downtrend, which will go down and take out the previous lows on the daily. So if that's true, go down to the 4 hour time frame. We are definitely making lower lows, lower highs. Definitely don't break a structure to the upside. Definitely no higher low. No reason whatsoever to do anything but look for shorts on shorter time frames. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, but if for whatever reason this does start and move to the upside, we should be looking at all rallies we see on like the 1 hour time frame and below as possible opportunities to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. If this really is a end of a pullback on like the 4 hour daily time frame, then we definitely want to try to go short on rallies because there is a lot of downside potential according to the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.